क्या आपने कभी एक ऑप्शन बाय किया है एंड वो स्टॉक या इंडेक्स से तो बहुत अच्छा मूव दे दिया, बट आपके ऑप्शन ने बेरली कोई मूव दिया है? ऑफ कोर्स हुआ होगा, हर बिगनर के साथ होता है। सो बेसिकली ऑप्शन प्राइस मूवमेंट इज नॉन लीनियर टू द अंडरलाइंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स मूवमेंट। तो ये कोई बैड लक नहीं है, ये सिर्फ डिफरेंट फैक्टर्स है जो ऑप्शन प्राइस को अफेक्ट करते हैं। These factors are time, price movement, momentum, volatility, etc. So पहले हमें ऑप्शन प्राइस के मूवमेंट को समझना होगा एंड आइडेंटिफाई करना होगा whether it will move or not. And if yes, then how to identify the reason behind this non-linear move? Whether it is because of momentum, whether it's because of time, volatility, or some other factor. These factors are the risks for an option trader. And before trading, one should identify these variables. इसमें हमारी मदद करेंगे ग्रीक्स। प्राइस मूवमेंट इज डेल्टा, प्राइस मोमेंटम इज गामा, टाइम फैक्टर इज थीटा एंड वॉलेटिलिटी इज वेगा।
In the previous video, we have already understood about option chain and its terminologies. हमने ये भी समझा कि open interest and volume क्या होता है and also understood about option buyers versus option sellers. We have also understood with few examples that why option sellers has an edge in the market and why OI is analyzed with a view of option sellers. From today, we will be starting with option Greeks. We will learn all the Greeks one by one with actual examples. We will see how Greeks are used as an important risk measure tool. And हम option strategies कैसे develop कर सकते हैं using delta, gamma, theta and vega based on different market structures.
So let's start with the first important Greek, that is delta. But यार ये delta होता क्या है? In option trading, delta measures how much option price is expected to change for every 1 rupee change in the price of the underlying. It is a crucial metric for understanding the sensitivity of option price to the underlying instrument's price. हम इसे एक एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू समझते हैं। अब ये इमेजिन करो कि यू आर स्टैंडिंग एट अ रेस ट्रैक एंड आपके सामने 3 कार्स का लाइनअप है, फेरारी, फॉर्च्यूनर एंड ऑल्टो। Each car represents an option with a different delta.
Now the whistle blows. That is, stock has started making a move. All 3 drivers slammed the accelerator. अब मुझे बताओ, do these cars move in the same way? बिल्कुल नहीं.
The Ferrari takes off like a rocket. That is your 1 delta option. For every move in the stock, the option reacts fully. The Fortuner moves well, but not as fast. That's like a 0.5 delta option. It responds, but only half as much. And the Alto? It moves too, just not very fast. That's your 0.2 delta option, जो सिर्फ 20% रिस्पॉन्ड करता है to the momentum of the stock.
So even though तीनों पेडल्स को फुल्ली प्रेस किया था, उनका रिस्पॉन्स टोटली डिफरेंट है and that is called delta. So कोई भी ऑप्शन के ड्राइवर सीट पे बैठने से पहले अपने आप से एक क्वेश्चन जरूर पूछना, whether I am driving a Ferrari or an Alto.
Let's dissect delta further. For call options, the delta is positive, meaning the price of a call option increases as the underlying asset price rises. For the put options, the delta is negative, meaning the price of the put option increases as the underlying asset price falls. A put option has a negative delta because its price decreases as the underlying asset price increases. This is because put options are designed to profit from a decline in the underlying asset price, and a rising price negatively impacts the value of a put option.
It is said that delta numbers ranges from -1 to +1. But technically we can see for put option, delta ranges from -1 to 0 and call option के लिए delta ranges from 0 to 1. Delta is also mentioned in the option chain, जहां आप देख सकते हैं कि ATM options का delta 0.5 के अराउंड होता है. If you look at OTM options, deltas are between 0 and 0.5, negative in case of put, and जितना दूर OTM strike रहेगा उतना less delta. And ITM options का delta are between 0.5 to 1, again negative in case of puts, and यहाँ जितना far ITM होगा उतना ज़्यादा delta.
Some traders also use delta as a rough estimate of the probability that an option will expire in the money. For example, एक call option जिसका delta 0.4 या -0.4 है has a 40% chance of expiring in the money. If we look at the option chain closely, higher delta मतलब higher probability of expiring in the money. Since the probability is high, premiums are high, and vice versa. Lower delta मतलब lower probability of expiring in the money. So if probability कम है तो premiums भी cheap है.
Now we'll see how delta shows the option price movement based on underlying move. Look at this option chain. and we pick 24800 call option with the delta of 0.5. This shows that if underlying 1 रुपए से change होता है तो मेरा option 0.5 rupees से change होगा. That is, if Nifty moves up by 100 rupees, then our option price of 24800 call is expected to move up by 50 rupees. Note, it is a call option. This works same on put options as well. If we see a put option of 24500, its delta is 0.28. If Nifty falls by 100 rupees, then this option price will move up by only 28 rupees. Low delta means low price sensitivity, and higher delta means option prices are more sensitive to its spot movement.
Also note that as spot moves, delta also changes. For now, keep the delta sign aside. Say the same OTM option of 24500 put currently has a delta of 0.28. If the market starts falling, this delta will start moving towards 1. And if the market starts rising, this delta will move towards 0. And अगर call option का बात करें तो if Nifty ऊपर जाता है, delta will start moving towards 1. And अगर Nifty नीचे जाता है तो delta will start moving towards 0.
This change in delta can be measured and analyzed by the second Greek, which is gamma. Gamma tells us about delta sensitivity towards underlying movement. We will understand gamma in the next video in detail. For now, remember that as market moves, delta also changes. One more point to be noted that just like premiums, deltas are also affected by time factor. As time passes and underlying doesn't move, OTM delta for call and put both goes to 0 till expiry. Time decay is the third important Greek, which is theta. We'll understand this in the upcoming videos.
So इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. We will be back with our next video on gamma. Trust us, trading becomes much more fun when you know why the fluctuations are happening. So hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Big things are coming up.